Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. A cave is a big hole. Caves are in mountains or rocks. Caves are very dark inside. Some caves are very deep. I want to visit a cave. Have you seen a cave before? Caves are cold and wet. Water drips from the cave ceiling. The cave has a small opening. We need a light in caves. Bats live in many caves. The bat sleeps during the day. Bats fly out at night. Do bats scare you at all? I am not afraid of bats. The cave floor is slippery and wet. We walk slowly in the cave. She holds a flashlight in her hand. The flashlight is very bright and strong. We can see the cave walls now. The walls are rough and hard. Some walls have interesting shapes on them. This cave is millions of years old. Water made this cave over time. The water moves through the rock slowly. Ice covers some caves in winter months. Ice caves are beautiful but very cold. We wear warm jackets in ice caves. Do you like exploring caves with friends? I will explore a cave next month. My friend explored a cave last week. He took many photos inside the cave. The photos show amazing rock formations there. Stalactites hang from the cave ceiling above. Stalagmites grow from the cave floor up. They grow very slowly every single year. Some are hundreds of years old now. The cave guide tells us interesting facts. She knows a lot about this cave. We listen to her carefully and quietly. The tour takes about 2 hours total. We wear helmets to protect our heads. Safety is very important in all caves. Never go into a cave alone ever. Always tell someone where you are going. Bring water and food with you always. The cave air feels cool and damp. I can hear water running somewhere. There is an underground river here. The river flows through the cave daily. Fish live in some underground cave rivers. These fish cannot see anything at all. They are blind because caves are dark. The fish are usually white or pale. They find food using their other senses. Many insects also live inside dark caves. Spiders make webs near the cave entrance. The cave entrance is covered with plants. Green plants grow only near the entrance. Plants need sunlight to grow and survive. Deep inside the cave is completely dark. No sunlight reaches the back of caves. We cannot see without our flashlights now. My flashlight battery is getting weak quickly. I need to replace the batteries very soon. Always bring extra batteries for your lights. The cave tunnel gets narrower as we walk. We must crawl through this small passage. Crawling is difficult but also quite exciting. My knees hurt a little from the crawling. The passage opens into a large room. This room is called a cave chamber. The chamber is as big as a house. Our voices echo loudly in this large space. I shout hello and hear it repeat. My brother laughs at the funny echo sound. We are not allowed to touch the formations. Oil from our hands can damage them badly. These formations took thousands of years to form. We must protect and preserve them for others. Some people paint on cave walls long ago. These cave paintings are very old historical art. Ancient people lived in caves many years ago. They made fires to stay warm at night. They drew animals on the walls with colors. The paintings show buffalo, horses, and other animals. Scientists study these paintings to learn about history. I think cave paintings are truly amazing artwork. Would you like to see real cave paintings? Some famous caves are open to all visitors. Tourists visit popular caves every single day during summer. You need to buy a ticket to enter. The ticket is not very expensive for adults. Children often get a discount on their tickets. The cave tour starts at 10 o'clock. We arrive early to get good parking spots. The parking lot is already quite full today. Many people want to see the cave today. We wait in line for about 15 minutes. The guide finally opens the cave entrance door. We follow the guide down the stone steps carefully. The steps are wet and slippery from the moisture. I hold the railing tightly with my right hand. The temperature drops as we go deeper into the cave. It is much cooler down here than outside. The cave stays the same temperature all year long. In summer, the cave feels refreshingly cool and pleasant. In winter, the cave actually feels warmer than outside. Some animals use caves to sleep during cold winter. Bears sometimes hibernate in caves for several months each year. We will not see any bears in this cave. This cave is too small for large animals like bears. The guide points to a small pool of water. The water is incredibly clear and you can see through. We can see small creatures swimming in the pool. These tiny animals have lived here for many generations. The ecosystem in this cave is very delicate and balanced. We must be careful not to disturb anything at all. Dropping trash in caves can harm the animals living there. Always take your trash out with you when you leave. I put my empty water bottle back in my bag. My sister is taking pictures with her camera phone right now. The flash from cameras is not allowed in here. Bright lights can disturb the bats and other cave animals. She turns off her flash before taking more pictures today. The natural beauty of the cave is absolutely breathtaking to see. I have never seen anything quite like this spectacular place. The rock formations look like frozen waterfalls hanging from above. Some formations look like curtains or drapes on the walls. Others look like tall columns holding up the cave ceiling. Nature is an amazing artist that creates beautiful things slowly. This cave has been forming for over 10 million years. It will continue to change for millions more years ahead. We are only here for a brief moment in time. I feel very small when I think about that fact. The cave makes me think about nature and our planet. We need to take care of our earth and environment. Protecting caves is important for future generations to enjoy and learn. Many caves are now protected by law in different countries. People cannot damage or remove anything from protected caves at all. Breaking these laws can result in serious fines or punishment. The guide tells us about the cave conservation efforts happening now. Scientists monitor the cave conditions regularly throughout each year to check. They measure the temperature, humidity, and air quality inside the cave. They also count the number of bats living here each season. The bat population has been growing slowly over recent years happily. This is good news for the cave ecosystem and environment. Bats eat many insects that can harm crops and plants outside. One bat can eat thousands of insects every single night while hunting. Bats are actually very helpful and important animals for our world. I did not know that bats were so helpful before today. I am learning so many interesting new facts on this tour. The guide is very knowledgeable and answers all of our questions. Someone asks about how caves are first discovered by people long ago. The guide explains that water or animals usually reveal cave entrances. Sometimes farmers find caves while working in their fields accidentally during work. Other times, heavy rain washes away soil and exposes the entrance. Explorers called cavers or spelunkers search for new caves to discover. They use special equipment and training to explore safely inside unknown caves. Exploring unmapped caves can be dangerous without proper skills and equipment. You should never explore a new cave without experienced guides with you. I think I would be too scared to explore unknown caves. I prefer visiting caves that have safe paths and good lighting. This cave has electric lights installed along the main walking path. The lights are dim to protect the cave environment and animals. They provide just enough light for us to see where to walk. We are reaching the deepest part of the cave tour now. The guide says we are about 300 feet below the ground. That is as deep as a 30-story building is tall. I cannot believe we have walked so far down into the earth. The cave continues much deeper, but visitors are not allowed there. Only scientists with special permission can access those restricted areas for research. They study the geology and biology of the deeper cave sections. New species of insects are still being discovered in caves worldwide today. Some of these creatures exist nowhere else on Earth at all. Caves are like windows into a hidden underground world beneath us. I feel lucky to have this opportunity to visit and see this. We are now starting to walk back toward the entrance slowly. The return journey takes about 45 minutes at our steady pace. I am getting tired from all the walking today in here. My legs are sore, but I am having a wonderful time. I will definitely remember this experience for many years to come. When we exit the cave, the sunlight feels very bright outside. My eyes need a few minutes to adjust to the light. The warm sun feels good on my face after the cool cave. We thank the guide for the excellent and informative tour today. She smiles and tells us to come back again sometime soon. There is a gift shop near the cave entrance for souvenirs. I buy a small rock that looks like a cave formation. My sister buys a book about caves and how they form. We will read it together at home later this week. I want to learn more about caves and underground geology now. Maybe I will study earth science in school next year. Visiting this cave has inspired me to learn more about nature. I recommend that everyone should visit a cave at least once. It is an experience that you will never forget in life. Caves teach us about patience, time, and the power of nature. They remind us that beautiful things take time to create properly. I am so happy that I came to see this cave. I will tell all my friends about this amazing adventure today. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.